Hey guys, welcome to the show. Today we're checking out the Regal Bowrider 36ft LX36. Now these Bowriders are now officially huge, 36 foot. Now they got steroids on the back. Just check out the big outboard motors we got. So you got twin Yamaha XTO engines, over 800 horsepower. Now this boat can zoom. It's the kind of engine, it's got more power than a 38-foot inboard outboard motor. So it's seriously packing a huge piece of punch, and it's outboard, lifts completely out of water, so you get a little bit of less maintenance that you have to do than those inboard outboard boats that they used to do in the past. So on the back here on the swim platform, you've got a nice big sofa just to sit down, and you're confronted with this behemoth of an engine. It's kind of clever what they've done, because you've got all of the space here. You get to look on the outside, on the sides, and you also just get the protection of not falling over. Traditionally you get a little bit of a handlebar over here to hold on to make sure it's all good, but now you've got a lot of use, and you can even go around the side here, and you get a lot of space with the swim platform. In here is a ladder, so you can go a bit of swimming, and let's step on inside. You do get the safety latch door, so if you do have any kids about, you can lock yourself in. Look at the cleats, looking gorgeous. Big power supply. Inside there's loads of spacious seating. This is built to seat up to 14 people on this boat, and it's just so much space. You can have a real big party on this boat. You got all of this cushion space on this side, cushion space on the other side, cushion space on this side here, like table space like that. You even got an armrest over here, so it's the ultimate sofa relaxation.
So I'm just going to show you something really cool. There's an esky over here, so you can put some ice over here, and then right by the side of it you have a sink.
Oh, tap.
Yeah.
It's clever.
But not only that, in case it's a bit dark at night, I just discovered the coolest thing ever. These pop-up lights.
Whoa.
It's a pop-up light. There's even one over here as well. So if you're cooking something, you need a bit of ambient lighting. Voila! That's awesome. I have to say, this boat is all about the entertainment. It's got the entertainment factor in it. There's so much seating. I guess the only thing that's missing is a countertop to cook some food, or a fridge, but maybe you can add that in over here, because there is some stuff, some storage under here, so perhaps you can just put a fridge there and hook it up to some electricity. But yeah, wow, if you are an entertainer, this boat is for you.
Look, this one here, for what you want to do, look at it.
It's a nice boat.
So, see this console here? There's a door handle just here.
Yeah. Oh,
It's a bit heavy, but...
oh,
So cool.
okay, you actually got a toilet inside here.
So cool.
Hidden away. Thanks, Captain Matt. This guy knows the secret. So you can actually have a little wee-wee. Or I'm going to see the headspace. Let's go.
That is awesome.
Oh, I sat on it. Yeah. And even got, look, a little tap. Running water. Lots of space, lots of height, and even a sink. Feels like an airplane. I'm like in a...
It's got everything you need except for that place to sleep.
Doesn't have place to sleep.
I've slept in a toilet before.
But what you can do is you can, there's covers that go around here.
Yeah.
So you can lock all your covers down, and you know, put a swag on the floor or something if you want to camp out overnight. It's got a big shade that folds out of the back here as well. Joystick.
You'll enjoy parking there.
Joystick.
Really?
Without thruster, got it all.
You guys need to move to sails. All right, and over to the front, you got Electronic City. You got big, massive Garmin over here. As we can see, you got the toilet. This guy moves. Oh, back into position, so you can go outside. We're going to be checking that out, the seats. But look at the captain's helm. Now, you can actually ride this boat standing up. That's pretty clever. So you can actually be resting, like I am right now, and driving the boat. It's very, very comfortable, I've got to say. Very, very comfortable standing position. Now this seat does go down, and it's... I'm not the tallest fella, like, okay, I can't reach it, but I'm sure there's a bit of adjustment to the seat to get it all closer. You got the fancy new joystick controls, so it's going to be a breeze to park. If you live inside a lock, it's going to be a lot easier to park. And you got joystick here, thrusters over here. You got the trim system, so you can go up and down, and it tells you visually what the trim situation is going on. Got VHF radio and more Garmin massive screens, so it just looks gorgeous, and a nice magic massive windscreen, so you can see exactly what's going on. Older boats, you tend to have these clears situation, so you actually have like a windscreen coming to here, and then you have clears here. It's a bit of a mess to see what's going on, whereas this one is just nice big open space. Just look at the accents, the decor, the quality just looks really beautiful. And over to the front again, massive amount of seating space. Like I said, the capacity is 14 people, but I can literally see a lot more than 14 people on the boat of this size. There's seating everywhere, so when the boat's parked up and you're not in the water, you can get a lot more of a party going on. And this one even has an armrest. Look at that. See what's going on, hang out with your people.
It's so comfortable. These seats are just exquisite. They're so comfy. I could just sit here even without even sailing anywhere. I could just sit here and just chill. Isn't that right, little miss?
Guys, let me know what you guys think of the Regal LX36. 7,500 kilograms, Yamaha engines, 850 horsepower, over 1,000 liters, 14 capacity, and 3.5 meter beam. This is a girthy one.
Hope you guys found this video useful and enjoyed the show. Oh my god!